Hey everybody, I'm Dustin.
I'm Brittany.
I know everybody's really worried about this COVID-19. The coronavirus is a big deal. And I just want to let everybody know that we're taking it super seriously here at Frontier. So,
yeah, we're following all the CDC recommendations. We're making sure everybody's taken care of and they're safe. Your family and your home is our priority.
Yeah. So the good news is that we're considered an essential business in Nashville. And we're going to continue to help you fix your homes. Now's a really good time for us to take a look outside at the cracks inside your sidewalks, your stoops, and all those things that are settling, your crawl space even, when we'll take a whole bunch of pictures. We're doing a lot of meetings outside of customers' homes, meeting under porches, under decks, and that kind of thing, obviously keeping the 6-foot distance away. Our guys have gloves, they have masks, they have booties and all that, but still, this is eventually going to go away and we can get back to life as normal. But in the meantime, why not, while you're home, have us come out and take a look and see if we can get some of those things fixed for you. So just want to let you know that we're taking it super seriously. We're wiping out all the trucks every single day. We're Lysoling everything and making sure that everything is nice and clean. So
we're adapting with you. We're going to get there.
Yeah, so we'll get to this and we'll get through this together. Thanks for bearing with us with our schedules. Obviously, we're running a little bit more of a skeleton crew, but in the meantime, we'll get with you as soon as we can. So give us a call for a free estimate. We'd be happy to come out and take a look at it, obviously at a 6-foot distance. All right. You guys have a great week.
Thanks so much. Bye.
Bye.